Hey friends, this is Shereé, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my ThreadCrate box for the month of May. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. All right, let's get into it. If you didn't already know about ThreadCrate, ThreadCrate is a monthly sewing subscription where you'll receive a sewing pattern, 3 yards of fabric, all the sewing notions that you need to complete the project, as well as some additional sewing goodies. This month's box is really good, guys. It is definitely spring in the box, and I cannot wait to share it with you. I do want to let you know that I am an affiliate with ThreadCrate, so if you use my link below to sign up for ThreadCrate, I will receive a small commission. I also have a discount code, and that discount code is Shereé10. That will save you 10% off your very first box. All right, let's get into this box. So normally there is an information card inside the box where you can read about all the things in the box. However, this month we received a web link that you go to, which gives you all the information online, which is great because it saves paper. Now, for the purpose of sharing the information with you on YouTube, I have created some notes so I can tell you more about the things in the box. The first thing in the box is this little swatch card. I really think that these are really handy to have, and I'm glad that they're included in the box. On these swatch cards, you can put a little piece of the fabric, all the information about the fabric, and any notes that you have about the fabric. These are really cool. All right, the next thing in here is something that we've never received before, and this is an additional sewing project. So this is a little sewing project by Sally Tomato. It is the Lucky Penny wallet, and it is so cute. The actual fabric is like a cork fabric, and it includes all the hardware that you need to make the wallet. I think this is really neat, and I've never actually made a wallet before, so I think this is going to be a fun project. The next thing in the box is something that I am really excited about. If you are not new to my channel, then you know that I love planners and notepads, and when I'm sewing and teaching myself a new technique, I always take notes. So this month we received a So Creative planner, and I think this is fantastic. First of all, I love buttons, right? And look at all these beautiful buttons on the back of this thing. It's so cute. Now in here, you can actually do a monthly calendar, you can do a weekly calendar, you can do a task list. Let me show you what that looks like. The task list looks like this. You can actually do project planning notes. You can do weekly, you can do by project. This is what it looks like. You can also keep track of body measurements and take inspiration photos. There's shopping lists. So this is the inspiration section where you can draw sketches. There's sewing lists. This is such a handy little notebook to have, and I'm so excited that it was included in the box. All right, so the next thing is so cute. This is a magnetic pen holder. I love this because I have a large round magnetic pen holder that I use when I'm actually putting my pieces together, but I find that it's too big to have right next to my sewing machine as I'm taking pins out and sewing. So I think this is going to be perfect just to plop my pins in as I go, and it doesn't take up much space, and it's so cute. All right, the next thing in the box is this little blue bag, and inside this bag we have a pin to go with the planner. We have the thread, so this gives you an idea of the color of the fabric. And it's Gutermann thread, polyester thread. And this is the cutest thing ever. This is a zipper head, and it looks like a little vintage sewing machine, and it's rose gold. Isn't that so cute? It feels pretty delicate, so I'm not sure if this is more decorative than functional, but either way, I love it. It would be perfect to add to a little cosmetic bag or sewing bag. And you could probably even attach it to a jacket, but it's so cute. I love it. The next thing in here is the sewing needle for the project. And we have elastic. So there will be a project in here that requires elastic. And now to the fabric. I'm so excited about this fabric, you guys. So it is a rayon challis, and it is gorgeous. Look at this fabric. It is so beautiful. and soft and drapey. Again, this is 3 yards of fabric. It is so pretty. Cassandra at ThreadCrate graciously sent me an additional colorway so that I could share it with you. This is what the additional colorway looks like. It is so pretty. It has 2 different shades of pink, red, and green. And again, this is rayon challis. It's so soft. This is the first time that we're receiving a woven fabric in the subscription. We normally receive a knit fabric, and I'm so excited about it. I've recently gotten into sewing a lot of woven fabric projects, so I'm so excited to have this fabric, and it's gorgeous. All right, so the next thing in the box is actually the pattern. It is a printed pattern. We don't have to tape together our pages this time around, and I printed out information about the pattern. All right, so the pattern this month is an Ellie and Mac pattern. It is the Women's Be Bold pattern, and it is so nice. I will insert pictures so that you can see what it looks like up close. I will hold this up, but it's kind of hard to see because I did print in black and white. There are several versions. This particular pattern, it comes with the option to do a blouse or a dress. And as far as the blouse is concerned, you can do a button-up front with a flounce. You can do a crop top, a bikini top, a dress with a ruffle, a dress with a waist tie. There's so many options and ways to change up this pattern, and it is gorgeous. So again, I will insert some pictures so that you can see what that looks like up close. Okay friends, that's everything that I received in my ThreadCrate box. Again, I encourage you to please use my affiliate link below and use my discount code to save yourself 10%. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.